Hi folks, just wanted to explain how the timing chain and tensioner work together in a mini R56. Now, as you can see, the chain runs around the exhaust camshaft sprocket, around the inlet camshaft sprocket, down through this plastic guide, around the crankshaft sprocket, back up through this plastic guide, back onto the exhaust camshaft sprocket. Now the chain runs through this plastic guide here, and this plastic guide can pivot around this point here. So that guide can move like this. The guide on this side, however, is fixed at 2 points, here and here, and cannot move, it cannot pivot. In fact, the dipstick in these cars runs right through the centre of that chain guide. Now the idea is, as the chain wears, it becomes slacker, and this tensioner, which is effectively just a strong spring, will extend to compensate for the slack in the chain, and it will push on this guide through which the chain runs and take out the slack. The problem is, it can only take out the slack in this portion of the chain from here to here. It can't take out the slack in this portion of the chain or this portion of the chain because of the teeth on the sprockets. Now you can buy longer tensioners which compensate for worn chains. However, what you have to remember is a worn chain is longer, and a longer chain is going to affect the relationship between your inlet and your exhaust camshaft sprockets and the crankshaft sprocket. So if you think about it, if this length of chain is longer, this sprocket can be rotated slightly more than it should be in relation to the crankshaft sprocket. So if you have a worn chain, you can take out the slack, however it's still going to be longer and it's still going to affect your timing. So the bottom line is, if you have a worn chain, the only way to fix it properly is to replace the chain. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, drop me a comment and I'll try and answer your question. Thanks for watching.